Hey everybody, my name is Marco Polo Preciado Aldava Wen. It's a big name and I got a big job. I'm a senior bird keeper here at the beautiful San Diego Zoo Safari Park. Now, working an exhibit with all this array of different wildlife from different habitats, we have to really understand the animal's natural behavior. So it's not only food, it's not only water or providing shelter, but also highlighting those natural behaviors. For instance, I'm not going to be offering nesting material for giraffes. Giraffes don't use nesting material, but the wattled cranes, well, the crown cranes are in our Delta exhibit. They're a water-based species, so we offer that type of material to know that we can highlight natural behaviors. With different species, for instance, the cassowaries living in a thick rainforest habitat, water plays a key role. They're big swimmers. Cassowaries love to swim. So providing a wall for the birds to get in, that's not only fun for the cassowary, it helps their feather production, helps them keep them nice and clean. It also simulates those natural behaviors that we're looking for that they exhibit out in the wilds of Australia and New Guinea. I love birds. And you know, as a little kid, I was a huge fan of dinosaurs. They were my absolute favorite, and I always wanted to be a dinosaur keeper. And I thought, well, today, what is the closest thing? Birds. And it's an amazing opportunity to work with today's modern dinosaurs with our amazing bird collection here at the Safari Park. When you're thinking of becoming a zookeeper, I have three main things I always like to tell the kids out here at the Safari Park. One is knowledge. Growing up, I always went to the zoos, local parks, recreational areas, went to the library and learned all about lions, bird collections. Knowledge is very, very important key to be able to highlight some of the work that you do here at the Safari Park. And not only that, having a passion, finding out what gets you excited. For instance, for me, I had a big fan of dinosaurs, and from that, it was very easy to transition into birds. And also, volunteering. You can always volunteer at any age. Get your families together, go to your local shelters, go to the zoos, rehabilitation centers, and you can start getting a lot of experience and know what really gets you excited about working with wildlife.